Hello and welcome to ITC Tech Share. I'm Tom Grissom. Today I thought we would do something a little bit different. I don't believe we've ever done this on the ITC Tech Share YouTube channel, but unboxings are really popular on YouTube, and I'm really excited to have a new device here. This spring, our College of Education had written a request for proposal to fund document cameras in all of our College of Education classrooms. And being summer with some new equipment arrivals, I'm pleased to announce that they have arrived, and I thought I would share this unboxing with you. The document camera that ITS has purchased is called the HoverCam, and the Solo Spark 8 is a particular model. And this is a document camera that will be replacing our older document cameras, which are getting close to 15 years old. So I'm really looking forward to the upgrade, and in particular what this model will do that our previous model will not is this has a built-in webcam and microphone. So let's go ahead and get right to the boxing. I've already taken off the wrapping, so it looks like it opens here from the side. So let me just go ahead and pull this out. And looks like I've got the box upside down, so let's turn it over here. And nice cardboard cover, some paperwork, of course the Solo Spark HoverCam manual. So just a real quick little guide that tells you all the different pieces and the way things work and what the buttons are. And it looks like there's also some software installation that we may have to do. Okay, and let's just go ahead and get the model. So here's the actual unit itself, coming again in plastic wrapping. So let's go ahead and take that off. This unit really is real well built. It's got a really solid feel, and it's a metal construction here. And we've got some little blue tabs here to take off the plastic to uncover the webcam itself and some of the arms and things. Now this particular model uses an articulating arm. So let me pull this one up here. There we go. And we've got some desiccant here, if I get that out. Keep the water out of the packaging. So here's the actual model itself. So let me put that down here to the side. What I really like about this particular model is this articulating arm can go all the way up, and then here's the webcam. So if we want to use it in a traditional document camera where we were laying something flat on the table, like these instructions to project up to the front of the classroom, we can do that. But it can articulate, and what I really like about this particular model is it also has a left and right adjustment here as well. So it's got a lot of flexibility with where you can place it. And let's see, what else do we have in the box here? The other attractive feature of this particular HoverCam model is it comes with a USB 3.0 cable. So that's very nice that they included that in the package. And it is USB 3.0, so that means we'll be able to get a little bit better throughput for some of our data rates for some of the webcam videos. And then they've also provided this green, somewhat plastic rubbery type mat that you can put down for a traditional document camera. Place it down. It's got some X marks and things for you to align things with it. So that looks like it. That's all in the box. So the next step is to plug this in. And on the back there are a couple of USB 3 ports here. One of them is covered with rubber that says install, and then the other one is where you will plug it in directly into your computer. So the way that this works is if you want to have the accompanying web software or the document camera software installed, you do that through this installation port. And there's actually a storage location on the device that you go out and you run a little setup program for its own little document camera software. You don't have to do that. You could plug it in directly, and our classrooms use Windows 10, and then you could use the camera app, or if you're doing something like with Microsoft Teams or Skype or our Microsoft Teams Meet Now feature, we should be able to do all of that. So I'm really excited to do this. This is going to add another dimension in every one of our College of Education classrooms. More and more of our instructions, whether we supplement as a hybrid class or as a 100% purely online class, this is really going to add to the capabilities in our classrooms. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Until next time, this is Tom Grissom. keep on learning.